In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete or manage your history on chess.com, especially if you are concerned about privacy, old games, or account data. We've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then the first option that you can do is scroll down on the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on it, and you would be able to see your game history here. Okay? It will list all your histories and completed games, and if you want to delete them, it's super simple. There should be an option here that says clear or delete. Okay? Now, you also have the ability to reset everything if you wanted. Another option is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, click the play, and then go to the game history. Now, this is more detailed about your activity here in chess.com. It would show you all the recent games that you played, daily games, live games you played against bot or against a coach. It's super simple, right? You also have the option to view all my games, explore games and database. And again, remember, if you want to delete all the activity right here, it's super simple. Click the reset button. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you have saved a copy or data of your game history. Because most rated games in game history on chess.com are permanent, and you can only hide your games or limit who can see them. Because chess.com does not allow full deletion of past games from their servers. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete chess.com history. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.